Hello, I'm Scott with Shoms Photography, and today I'm going to talk about the EOS R battery grip. I was wondering why the battery grip costs so much for this camera, and lo and behold, well, it's because it comes with that nice expensive $190 charger that you could buy at B&H for $118. The grip would have been a lot cheaper if they wouldn't have supplied the charger. And I would have rather had two batteries instead of that charger, because I'm never going to use that charger anyway. But if you are going to plug it into your camera and you don't have a grip, it'll charge your battery up. If you have a grip, it'll charge one battery at a time, so therefore it takes twice as long to charge up that camera. Again, I would have just rather had the batteries instead of this charger I'm never going to use, because I find it, if I'm using the grip, it's just a lot easier for me to take the wall units, plug my batteries in it, charge them both at the same time, and have them done in half the time it would have took if I would have used the USB-C charger. Again, this is just my point. My name is Scott with Shoms Photography, and thank you for watching.